The man appeared to be in a panic, believing that someone was chasing him. Although the police tried to calm him down, he was still completely out of control. This was the beginning of a series of dangerous behaviors that he was no longer aware of.
Hold on, no.
Chill.
Don't do it, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. It's taking off.
Going for me southbound.
He just jumped into somebody's car.
In a panic, he suddenly jumped into a stopped car with a driver inside. This action instantly transformed him from a person in need of help to a suspect of a serious crime. Police were forced to intervene before any casualties occurred.
Hey, stop! Stop! Right now! Stop! Stop! Right now! Stop! Let me see your hands! Stop!
No, bro.
Stop!
No, bro.
Get out of the car! Stop!
All right, bro. All right,
Out of the car!
All right, bro. All right.
Out of the car!
All right, bro.
Have him at taser.
Get out, bro.
Out of the car!
All right.
Now! Now! Out of the car!
Bro.
Turn around!
You got a camera on, bro.
Turn around!
Kill me, bro. You
Grab
got a
him, grab
camera on. No. What? I ain't did that, bro.
All right, get him! Get him!
No, I ain't did that, bro. He's grabbing. Please, bro.
Get him!
I ain't did that.
Get him!
I ain't did that.
Get tased!
No, man.
You're gonna get tased!
I love my
You're gonna get
people, bro.
tased! All right, I'm
Stop,
tasing
man.
him. Taser.
I love my family. No, please, no.
Police used a stun gun to subdue him after all attempts at persuasion failed. The suspect continued to scream, calling for freedom, and resisted until he was knocked to the ground. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured in the process.
No!
Turn around! Get him cuffed! Get him cuffed! Get him cuffed!
Mama!
Get him cuffed! Get him cuffed!
Mama!
Get him
I
cuffed!
everybody, please!
Get him cuffed!
No, they're trying to kill me! No, man! Please, no!
Taser deployed.
No! Everybody else!
Get him cuffed!
No! No, man! No! Why? Why no? Why? Please, man! No,
Chill out! You're gonna get tased again!
No!
You're gonna get tased again!
No, man!
Just relax!
No.
Turn over!
Turn over!
Turn over!
Get your stomach! Get your stomach!
Turn over now!
Yeah, I love him, bro. No. We give you
Roll
everything.
rescue. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, officer, for your work.
You guys all right? What do you got? You got a cut over here? Okay, just rescue's coming, okay?
All right, thank you.
We got multiple people on the ground. So we got 2 people down here. He's bleeding out of his leg. How are you feeling?
Bad.
All right.
This guy's crazy, man.
Did he jump in your car?
No.
No?
We were driving straight.
Okay, so you were involved with the accident when he hit you?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, he jumped in your car, correct? Okay, he also jumped in somebody else's car. I don't think they're here.
The driver, a doctor, said he had only stopped to help after a minor frontal collision. But the suspect drove straight into the car, screaming and trying to take over the driver's seat. The doctor immediately got out of the car, an action that saved him from being attacked or injured. It was a calm response in a chaotic situation.
Yes. We need a unit to come with shackles. Listen, relax. Listen. Stop. Stop. Relax.
Y'all can come. You ain't carry on.
Relax. Relax.
What?
Stop. Hey.
You
Stop.
carry on to come.
Relax.
You carry on to come. You can carry on to come, Kim.
Stop.
My nephew, Junior, Telegram. My nephew,
Stop. Relax.
my nephew, Junior, Telegram. They trying to come kill me. All these people gotta get killed
Make sure they're
by the
okay.
police.
And there was another vehicle he jumped into. He was
Charlie,
trying to steal it. Okay.
Y'all watch all these people. Y'all watch the fuck out. Watch out for the ass. Watch out for.
Got him. All right. Are you ready?
Wait. You gotta pat him down. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah. Hey, watch. Stay there. Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, how you doing, sir? All right, so just one last question.
Yes, sir.
So can you, I know that you talked to so many people today,
No, it's fine,
and you
officer.
probably don't want to speak to another.
No,
But can you
officer.
just tell me briefly, I saw what happened.
Yeah.
Can you just go through again what happened?
Yes,
So you're
sir.
driving over here, correct?
Yeah, I was driving,
Okay.
and I see these two vehicles kind of to the side collide.
Yeah.
So, and I see the airbags are. I pull over to just check on
Sure.
the individuals, and then as I'm trying to get my phone to do 911, the suspect starts approaching me from a couple feet away.
I saw it, yeah.
And then he starts yelling, they're trying to kill. I first tell him, I'm calling 911.
Yeah.
And then he
Yeah.
says, they're trying to kill me, they're trying to kill me.
Yeah.
And then that was it. He just like jumped
jumped
in the car.
in.
Yeah.
Okay.
He jumped in head first. And then I just, I'm like,
How did you feel at that point? Were you in
threatened.
Threatened?
Yeah,
Okay.
Like this guy's going to carjack or something's wrong. I mean,
Like were you
obviously.
were you like in fear? Were
Yes.
you like in okay.
Yeah.
So
I knew it was danger.
so you felt like you were in danger.
Absolutely.
And that's when you
Then I didn't confront him.
Okay.
I just got out of the car
okay.
and cleared the area for
Gotcha.
safety.
Now, did you get out of the passenger or
No,
the driver?
I opened up the driver.
Okay.
He had leapt in and like his feet were here. I'm like,
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
got out.
Okay. If you have any injuries or anything, obviously you're a doctor. You would know. You go to the hospital. And you have a good day, sir, okay?
Thank you, officer.
Okay.
Police charged the suspect with grand carjacking, resisting a law enforcement officer, and unarmed assault. An incident that started with panic ended with severe punishment. In the next case, things got more serious. Two suspects opened fire on 3 people while trying to steal a truck. 1 person died, 2 were injured, and the police quickly launched a manhunt.
Movement in the vehicle. I believe the white male is in the driver's seat.
They're starting the vehicle.
We need to move in. Police, stop! Stop!
They're taking off. They're taking off. Stop now.
Speed's 100, 176 southbound. They're just driving all over the road.
640 Bowling Green, I can have spikes at 171.
Just be careful. They tried to hit me head on, and they're trying to hit other cars.
172, car right lane.
Is metal lane coming up to that unit with the stop sticks. Right lane. It's gonna be taking Signet exit, guys. Signet exit.
The chase took place on the Ohio Interstate at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. The suspect drove recklessly, constantly changing lanes, trying to ram the police car. The risk of a fatal collision could happen at any time.
If you got somebody with you, take him out.
I can't right now. Nah, they're going straight down, straight down.
As long as you've got a unit close to you for backup, take them out.
The RP's covered.
Anybody else have eyes on 75?
Right.
Okay.
Bowling Green, they're pointing a gun. They just shot at me. Bowling Green, they just shot at me.
Still going southbound 172.
Bowling Green, he shot one at me.
Shots fired.
Spikes are at 160. About the 160.
Correct. N60.
Bowling Green, I crashed out. I'm catching up.
725 checkup. You okay?
Oh yeah, just, a little spin out. I'm coming. go. He's shooting at me, though. He's shooting at me.
When the suspect pulled out a gun, all limits were broken. Many bullets were fired straight into the pursuing police car. In this situation, every second was life or death for the task force.
He not shot at me again. We're passing this 164. He's on the right lane, right shoulder, right shoulder.
164, right shoulder.
113, hit the shoulder again, right shoulder.
Okay.
Left lane 107, light traffic. That's fine, you good?
I'm fine, just trying to prepare my rifle.
Light traffic, approaching the jailhouse.
Approaching jail.
He's going into the way station.
There's a way station.
The way station, going to the way station. We should probably block off the on-ramp. Exit. Come on, stop.
We're good, walk green. Heading south again at 162, middle lane.
Southbound 162, middle lane. Right at the 160, aviation in the air.
Just be careful, he's shooting at us. He's got a gun out, he's got a gun out.
We're going to set up with spikes at the 137. Down to the 15. Light traffic, we're approaching the construction zone.
Left lane, approaching construction.
Going down, he's right lane, still continuing. Approaching the 19, coming to the construction zone. Visual contact. 5. Good.
I don't know, that was freaking awesome though.
Already contact with me again. We're still rolling south.
Okay, contact with 725 again.
Right, we're in the construction zone.
1844, I've tried multiple times, I can't get him out.
Police were forced to use PIT tactics, forcing the suspect to lose control and crash into a ditch. A risky decision, but necessary to protect the public. The chase, which lasted more than 10 minutes, ended without further casualties.
37, exiting 37.
87 units per 121, do not use stop 6.
We're stopped at the exit ramp.
Shots fired.
Full green, I should well, 2 rounds. Full green is in the median. We're back on the on-ramp.
Okay, 1060, did you shoot 2 rounds?
Right, using the rifle.
Okay.
I gave our unit injured. He's crashing out. He's still in the ditch. I'm gonna use slow. Still in the ditch. Might get stuck here. Approaching up. Township Route 240. Township 31. Township Route 240. 240. 240.
Show me your hands right now!
240.
Green, we got. Someone take the radio. What do you guys take the radio? The radio. Yeah, I think I hit him.
He's down.
Hey, get over here. Get over here. No, we cannot see the passenger. Driver looks like he's down. Are you hit anywhere? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you've been hit. Thumbs up, you've been hit.
Okay.
Thumbs down.
Dude, it was like a half thumb. I don't know.
Ronnie, are you able to climb up on the passenger seat and exit out of the left passenger door? Yes. Yep, back seat. We're going to have you exit that back left door. Keep your hands up the whole time, okay? You're going to come up on the left side? It's okay. Collect yourself. I know the gas sucks. I understand that.
You guys got the passenger,
Just
right?
keep your hands straight up, okay?
I got driver still.
Keep your hands straight up. You're going to walk towards the patrol car. Pull your pants up. That's fine. Pull your pants up. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Walk to the back of the truck, straight to the road.
I got
Keep your
driver.
hands up the whole time. Keep your hands up the whole time. Now you stop. Stop. Now you're going to walk towards us.
Walk to the road. This way. This way. Hands up. Turn around. Walk backwards now. Walk backwards. You got hands up.
Hands up.
Cuff him, search him. Cuff him, search him. Steven, are you able to get out of the truck now so we can help you?
Passenger is going to be Ronnie.
The police surrounded the suspects and asked them to surrender. Ronnie got out of the car injured and Stephen was unconscious. They were taken into custody for further investigation.
Hey, get out of the car. Help. Get out of the car.
I got hands.
Stay hand behind you. Roll him. Just cuff him here. Just cuff him right here. Don't worry about it.
Great.
Good.
Stephen Jones Jr. and Ronnie Oliver Jr. were charged with 9 counts, including murder, armed robbery, and assault on a police officer. Stephen was sentenced to 40 years in prison, while Ronnie is still awaiting sentencing. In court, Stephen showed no remorse, even challenging the victim's family. A tragic outcome, not just for the victim, but for those who lost their humanity in the heat of the moment.